Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can reset image settings or image options of an image in your text documents on Google Docs. Reset them to the default settings. So let us get started. Head over to your text document on Google Docs, click into the image, and let's assume, for example, here in the image options you have applied various color filters and changed the image brightness, saturation, etc., etc., or you have customized the size rotation and so on and so forth. And now I'd like to return to the default settings of that image and remove all of these filters and effects. To do that, left click into your image, and here next to image options to the left at the top you will see reset image. Click into it and that is going to restore the default settings, as you can see. However, the resizing is not part of it, as you can see. So if I, for example, resize that image and position it here, the reset image options button will disappear. So it applies only to the image options to the right, like recoloring and adjustments and opacity and so on and so forth, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.